the hills. You can see the smoky area. This is the park near in the house. So this is the smoky area. It's about 9 o'clock past in the evening. Friday. See, it's a nice park here. Okay, 9 o'clock past. Okay, as you can see, the lake. It's a foggy, smoky, cold, a little bit windy at night. See, this area is smoky because of wildfire near in Saskatoon, Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay, so this is the area that we can biking, jogging, walking. Okay, picnic. There's a playground there. There's a swimming pool there. See, it's dark, but still a little bit bright in the skies. Okay, because daylight saving. Okay, that area it's foggy and smoky and cloudy. See? So that's the update tips to my blog. Okay, this is our content for today about the issue of wildfire, because there's a 50 to 15 communities evacuation. Okay, so that's the swimming pool area. Okay, the new swimming pool area with the playground surrounding by trees and grass. See, it's a good weather. See the sun, the sun is still there. It's about almost 9:30. Okay, it's smoky and cloudy and smells smoke coming from Saskatoon to Manitoba. Okay, it's a wildfire. So if you more like videos like this, updates for the amazing tips or tips for weather, just click the button and the bottom notification bell and subscribe. Okay, this is the street from now. Okay, see you guys.